Welcome to the world of jewelry ERP. Efficient precision, where precision meets beauty and craftsmanship blend seamlessly with technology. DoFort Jewellery ERP system prioritizes efficiency and precision in meeting the unique needs of jewelry manufacturing. Personalized excellence. Easily customize your creations and track precious materials seamlessly with DoFort Jewellery ERP's intuitive product configurator and inventory management module. Effortless excellence. Streamline production workflow and uphold impeccable jewelry standards effortlessly with DoFort Jewellery ERP's production planning, scheduling, and quality control modules. Effortlessly manage orders and gain comprehensive financial insights with DoFort Jewellery ERP's order management and financial management modules. Make data-driven decisions with our reporting and analytics module. Monitor key performance metrics and unlock valuable insights to drive your business forward. Experience the power of Jewellery ERP and elevate your craft to new heights of excellence. Contact us today to discover how we can help transform your jewelry business. Thank you for watching.